What's happening, guys? Saf-T-Liner C2 here. Obviously, by the title, you already know what I have in this box. But maybe for some reason you didn't look at this title, and you are wondering what I have in here. In this box is one of, in my opinion, the rarest school bus models that you can get. And it just so happens that Noah was selling his and wanted to know if I wanted it. Of course, I took him up on that offer because I have the box right here. So, yeah, anyways, let's see. In an unusual turn of events, there's no writing in this box, which is uncommon for him, but we're going to go ahead, take a look and see what all is in this box. Don't care about that stuff, don't care about that. This is what we care about. See if there's anything else in there. No, there's not. So, okay. You can see there's a little Thomas logo down there. Lots and lots and lots of bubble wrap because, like I said, this is a pretty hard to find model. So, I'm very excited to have this. I've seen this modeled in person at his house a few times, but we've got a Thomas Saf-T-Liner ER model. Now, I know what you're thinking, Cameron. You have an ER sitting right there. Yes, I do. But guess what? It's not the same one. We're going to go ahead. We're going to open this up. Okay. Got bubble wrap in here. Awesome. You can see this is a yellow roof version of the ER. So, yeah, not a whole lot of yellow roofs were actually made. Yellow roof models were actually made. So, here's one. It's in pristine condition, if I might say so myself. So, no real scratches or anything, which is, of course, what you're looking for in one of these models. So, it's a beautiful, beautiful model, if I might say so myself. Let's see. Thomas Saf-T-Liner ER authentic scale models, Thomas built buses. So, just like the other models that Thomas makes, all of the labeling on the bottom. So, let's take a look at the box here for a second. Pretty good condition. Mind you, this box is from the 90s, so obviously expect some wear and tear like over here. But having the original box to go along with this definitely makes it more valuable. So we have a little thing over here, the Saf-T-Liner ER transit school bus featuring the Thomas built chassis was first produced in 1978 and began its evolution into a premium product. This coach carries up to 90 passengers and was originally designed to perform in operating conditions unique to the western U.S. In recent years, its outstanding maneuverability, driver visibility, and performance have made the ER popular in other regions. The ER features a diesel power plant, automatic transmission, air brakes, power steering, and state-of-the-art suspension system. And then just a couple specs over here on the ER. So, let's see, just up on the top, this is a collector item. Yes, for sure it is. Beautiful Thomas logo right there. Right here, South 95 Wind School. I don't know what that is, but yeah. So you can kind of see, compared to the boxes that Thomas is offering, well, they're not selling those anymore, but to the more recent models that they have offered. So, oops, come on, working on a tripod here, but so yeah, so that's what that looks like. That's the box right there. Let's go ahead, we'll do a couple size comparisons. You can see there is the Bluebird Vision Bank that Bluebird is currently selling. So there's that right there. I have a Dinky sitting right here. So you can see they're pretty much the same size. And then we will do an HD. Technically it's labeled as a ER, but this is again a HD, pretty much the same size. So Last thing we'll do is we'll take a look at a couple of the differences between the white roof ER and the yellow roof ER, to which there are no real differences other than, well, one of them has a white roof and one of them has a yellow roof. What can you say? Did you expect any more than that? So, yeah, both of them have the gray rims on it. Both of them have the black window posts and everything. So, we'll go ahead. We'll take a look at the back here. There we go. Again, pretty much the same thing, just a difference between the roof colors. And like I said, what else did you expect? Yeah. So this is one that I am very, very excited to have. Like I said, this is one of probably one of the rarest school bus models that you can get, just because there were not as many yellow roof models made. So, and then I think the only thing, I think I'm missing just two more buses for an entire Thomas collection. So I'm missing a yellow roof HDX, and then a gray grill C2, and then that should complete the entire Thomas scale model collection. So still on the lookout for those two, and I'm excited to find those two. So yeah, but that is the yellow roof Thomas Saf-T-Liner ER bus model. Big shout out to Noah for selling this to me. I'll put his channel in the description. Make sure and go check out his videos. And yeah, so thank you so much, Noah, for selling this, and looking forward to doing more business with you at some point. So anyways, guys, that is going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, or right down here, it's magical red button that says you are not subscribed to Saf-T-Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it, I don't care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or I'm not going to find those other two models to complete my Thomas collection. And make sure you also share this video with a friend, share it to your mom, share it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't let anything happen to you. So, yeah guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching.